Hey, to turn on or off one-handed mode on the Pixel 8a, first of all you will have to open the settings. Now scroll all the way down, open system settings, and now you will have to go for gestures. Next, you will have to scroll for the one-handed mode, and to turn it on you have to just click on the switcher. Now, to enter this one-handed mode, we can actually go through the quick settings. So take a look, we can just swipe down, and here we have to find the one-handed mode. It's right here. As you can see, we can quickly turn it on and off. And now if you want to access this mode, we've got two options. We can pull screen into reach, so the top of the screen will move into the reach of our thumb, or we can show notifications. We can also get the one-handed mode shortcut by clicking here. We can quickly turn it on and off, so we can actually decide which one of the way you want to get it. So that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.